Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Ceramic or radiant stoves hide their heating elements under a smooth glass surface. If the glass is cracked or shattered, then it's best to replace it. In this episode, I'll show you how to install a new ceramic cooktop. Let's get started. For this repair, you'll need a screwdriver or nut driver and gloves. If you need a new glass cooktop, then you can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From there, you'll see a parts breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed for your model. Always be safe and disconnect the power at the breaker. Since there might be some sharp edges, it's best to wear cut-resistant gloves. Gently pull the range slightly away from the wall. As soon as there's enough room, go in behind and unplug it from the receptacle. Make sure that there isn't too much tension on the cord. Now, slide the range all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. First, open the oven door and remove the mounting screws. Now lift up and use a piece of wood or a sturdy object to prop it open. Unscrew the mounting brackets and lower the heating elements. Now remove the cooktop. In some models, the elements are mounted on a metal plate. In this case, you should be able to disconnect the wires to remove the whole top. Now unscrew the mounting plate to separate the cooktop. Transfer any pins or plates from the old cooktop which are not on the new one. If the elements were mounted on a metal plate, then reattach the plate. Align the tabs of the new cooktop into the slots on the back. Now, prop it open. Next, align the elements and mounting brackets to the underside of the glass and replace the screws. Now, lower the cooktop and tighten the screws. Now plug in the cord and push the range back into place. Next, reconnect the power. Now you can test your stove. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.